Welcome to Planning with Donna. Today is a plan with me in my big dashboard. Happy planner. This is actually a happy planner. I am going to be doing some scrapbook paper in today's spread. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing here. Okay. So I went ahead and I have cut this out the other day before I got sick, and it's basically been sitting. Let me put that down there. I just don't want this moving all over the place. I went ahead and I had put the double stick tape on the back and got all that started and got sick. I just decided that, it's just going to sit here and I'm just going to have to deal with it. All right, so we're going to put this down right here. And then I'm going to come in here with this scrapbook paper. Let's clean up as we go, shall we? And I'm going to put it over top of it to make a two-tone look. If you have issues with not being able to buy lots of stickers, or you want something different for your planner, scrapbook paper can be extremely cheap to use. I know Michael has the hot buy all the time, and you can get a whole book of 12 by 12 scrapbook paper for little of nothing, and that's a lot of scrapbook paper that will last you a long time in the planner world. So I'm going to try to put this down. Let's move this out of the way. I want to try to get it on here. We go. And I know that looks wonky right there, but we're going to fix that because that's all going to get trimmed, okay? So do not panic. Everything's under control, okay? Now we're going to come over here on this side and do the same thing. And I think if I can get this up just a little bit more and straight like so, that's going to be close enough, and we can camouflage it with, that didn't exactly turn out right, but you know what? That's okay, because I can always put something right there. Did my best. I did my best. What and how has your year been going so far, 12 days in? Are things going great? Are they starting out the way you wanted? Are you having to do a little regrouping? Have you just thrown it in the towel? And I do have an update on stuff I watched while I've been under the weather and laying on the couch. Yes, I did not push myself. Because every time I've been sick as I've gotten older and I've pushed myself to do stuff, I've gotten sicker. So great thing about getting older, yeah, everything's sort of just, nothing's like it used to be, we'll put it that way. So, anywho, I watched Netflix, a lot of Netflix. I have started watching Wednesday with my granddaughter, and it's a little dark, but, it's okay, I like it. And I watched The Girl in the Window. If you have not watched The Girl in the Window, you don't know what you're missing. It was fabulous. And I also watched The Pale Blue Eye. Yes, run, don't walk. Loved it. So I am going to be using these stickers from Live Love Posh Green Blooms book. So let's go ahead and see what we can create with this. And I have these little shelves that I made and put little things on to try to enhance this spread. I think I'm going to put one like right in here, maybe here. Okay. And I'll glue those down in just a minute. But I wanted to get some placement. So I think I'm going to start with this great big sticker here. And if it'll come off the page, there we go. And I think I'm going to put it right there. I love that so much. Oh, perfection. And then I think I'm going to put this little stack here. Okay, so what I want to do, now this may end up looking crazy. I thought I had a glue roller. There we go. I want to put this down. I'll put it right there. I'm going to put this cute. And I think I want to put something a little bit tall over here. So I want to try to camo some of this mess right here. And I think that does it quite nicely. So do you all have lots of houseplants in your house? I have none. I basically keep it real. I'm like, I do not have a green thumb, nor have I ever had a green thumb. What did I do with the rest of those stickers? Probably never will have one. I used to back in the day. Oh, there they are. Duh. Goodness gracious. I amaze myself sometimes. And I just don't really do well with plants. And I don't know why that changed. See, I don't really want to overlap them. I want to put a big bunch right here. So let's go ahead and do that. If I can keep them from being... There we go. Put those there. Shelf. And this one maybe. And maybe this little baby one. That'll work. Cute. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. I think I'm going to put this one right there. Like I said, that probably wasn't the best choice and it's crooked, but that's okay. Let's get some boxes in here, shall we? Let's do big box here. And then I'm going to come back here and get some smaller boxes. Got some really little ones, but I don't know. Yeah, here they are. Let's do some of these. More than one way to camouflage stuff. Put a box over it. And I think by putting those two together like that, it sort of makes it a little less obvious. And I don't know that I'm going to use that color. Oops, my undo just fell over. I do think that I will use this size. Yeah, I like this size a lot. I'm going to put one right in here. And let's go ahead and put one right like that. And I think I need one a little bit skinny. Let's do this one. The only thing that I don't like is where these boxes have bigger sides than these. You see what I'm saying? I wish they were all the same. I don't like that difference. I have a couple spreads that I did like that, and I was not a bit happy with them. Was not a bit happy with that difference. You know, maybe it's just me. Probably is just me. But I just think it looks funny. A taskbar. Right there. To give it some division. I think I'll put one over here. Oopsie. This is the first time I felt like really planning doing anything. And so, you know, I want something right. I guess I will do trying to keep them relatively straight. There we go. Cute. Now I'm going to put one more right here, and then we're going to move to the right side of the page and get that sort of going. I think we'll put goals up here. And I had a habit tracker, Miss Lori Dean. Let's do this one. I'm liking it. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty cute. Trying to do a few little different things. I do think I want to put my shelf, I think I'm going to put it right in the center. How's that? And we'll find something to stick on it. Put it right here in the center. And I'm all over the place with these stickers. Here we go. Ooh, I know what I want to put there. Mother-in-law's tongue. One of my favorites. Here we go. Perfect. Guys, I think that looks super, super cute. Super, super cute. And I have one more little piece. And I think what I'm going to do to make this not look so crazy is cut that like that and stick that down there so that plant doesn't look like it's floating in midair. What do you think? There. Okay, let's just bring some color up here to the top. Put a couple little stickers to bring some balance over here. I'll put this one like that over here. And I think we're there, peeps. I think we're there. So let's do our trimming. All right. So there you go. I really like that. That's January the 16th through the 22nd. This is in my big dashboard happy planner, and I am absolutely loving how that turned out. I hope that you guys do too. If you do, please give me a great big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I hope that you know that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.